Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the build bench. Today's video is just going to be a short one. We're just going to talk about a quick program that maybe a few of you know about, probably a few of you don't know about, but it's just a program used to check the health of basically like your storage drives, because as you know, storage drives, they degrade over time, or they get a fault and they die out of nowhere, or whatever. So it's this program here. It's called Crystal Disk Info. Now if I load this up, it's a free download obviously. As you can see, at the top it lists the 4 drives that I've obviously got in the system, being a Samsung M.2, which is only a small one, which is my boot drive, and then I have this drive, which is a Crucial P3, which is obviously a terabyte M.2. Now these two are both mechanical hard drives, and I know a lot of people don't use mechanical drives now, but I just use them like for mass storage. Anything that I want to play, I just transfer it over to the M.2 and play it from there. Now you notice obviously like these say good, this one doesn't, and it shows you obviously like down here by the green, the yellow, and I'm guessing if you have a complete failure you get a red. I've never seen one, but I'm guessing that's what happens. But like you can see, it's past most of these, and then the cautioned one is the one that's highlighted in yellow, the reallocated sectors count. Now I don't know, to be honest, a lot about storage, especially old like spinning hard drives sort of thing. To be fair, I'm surprised these hard drives lasted that long, because I bought them used anyway. But the thing I like about this is like obviously it tells you the interface, so it's serial ATA, SATA sort of thing. Like these are NVMe drives. It tells you the drive letters you've got assigned to whichever drive you're looking at. And then it tells you like the rotation rate of these. Obviously these don't have a rotation rate because they're not a drive that has any rotating parts, like a platter that spins. And then you got your power on count, your power on hours, and then like on these, look, you've got your spin up time, your start stop count, your power on hours, so on and so forth. And then obviously it reads out temperatures as well for each of your drives. But I always think this is a handy program to have, just in case you're having issues with one of your drives for some reason, or you've had a complete failure of a drive. You could load this up and it will probably tell you what's gone wrong with that drive. Like I said, this is a free program to use, so it's probably worth having on your PC just in case you do get a drive malfunction or an error or something. But yeah, I thought I'd just do this quick short video explaining what Crystal Disk Info is, kind of what it does, kind of how to use it. So yeah, I'll leave this video here for now. We'll have another GPU video coming up within the next week. It'll be another sort of like like how does it perform in 2024 sort of one. The GPU is a 6 gig GTX 1060, which should do okay. You never know, we'll see, I suppose. So yeah, I'll leave this video here for now, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, liking, keep leaving comments, it all helps the channel out either way. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.